Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Tag Manager installation for SEO metrics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your Google Tag Manager installation for SEO metrics, start by accessing your website. Open a new browser window and navigate to your site. Once your site is loaded, right-click anywhere on the page. From the drop-down menu, select Inspect to open the Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools, switch to the Elements tab. Next, use the shortcut Ctrl+F or Command+F to open the search bar. Type gtm.js in the search bar and hit Enter. If you see the Google Tag Manager script appear in the results, it indicates that Tag Manager is installed. Now, let's ensure it is firing correctly. Open a new browser tab and navigate to the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension page. Install the Google Tag Assistant extension. Once installed, you will see its icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on the Tag Assistant icon and enable it by clicking on Enable Tag Assistant. Refresh your website page while the Tag Assistant is active. You will see a small pop-up indicating which tags are present on your site. Look for Google Tag Manager in the list of tags. Make sure it shows as verified. If it is not verified, ensure that your container ID is correctly set up in Google Tag Manager. Next, open your Google Tag Manager account. Click on the container linked to your website. Navigate to the preview mode by clicking the preview button in the upper right corner. This will open the Tag Assistant for Google Tag Manager in a new tab. Go back to your website in another tab. You should see a debug panel displaying the tags that are firing on your site. Verify that your SEO metrics tags are firing as intended. Check for any errors or issues indicated in the debug panel. Once you have confirmed that all tags are firing correctly, you can exit preview mode. Finally, return to Google Tag Manager and publish your changes if needed. This completes the verification process for your Google Tag Manager installation in relation to SEO metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.